What's up guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. And for this unboxing video, we have one of our vicrez V3R style front lips. And this is one of our carbon fiber front lips instead of just like our gloss black or matte black front lip. And the VZ for this is vz101060 if you want to go check it out on the vicrez website. And this is for the BMW M6 or M6 and the F06, as well as F12, F13, and this fits 2012 to 2019 models. Now let's go ahead and open this up and show you what it looks like. Now we do include hardware for this for install. Now, here's our front lip, as you guys can see here. And then of course you'll also get a bag of hardware included, which is just a set of screws for install. Now of course you have the two vent ports on each side of the front lip. So that way your radiator and transmission coolers still get air at the bottom section. And of course, it's in carbon fiber. Sorry, it has a bunch of foam dust on it. This is what the bottom looks like. You can see the holes on the bottom for mounting. And of course, they'll pass through to the top. And they're pre-drilled for you guys for easy install. So you'll just line it up with your bumper and make sure it's lined up and looks the way you want it. And then you'll just insert the screws for install and tighten everything down. Anyways, that's pretty much it for this front lip. Again, the VZ is 101060 if you want to go check it out on the vicrez website. Other than that, if you want to see more videos just like this one, consider subscribing to the YouTube channel and hitting that notification bell to get notified when we post more videos like this one.